Hey, Asim, it's Albert here with ClickFunnels Support. So Dante's out today, so I'm going to jump in here and help you out real quick. So to answer your questions, as you can see here, I'm in your funnel. If you go to your page path here, I see what you're talking. So these digits here are just the system recognizing that somewhere in your account or somewhere in the system of ClickFunnels, there might be a hashtag guide, something similar to this, so that the system will automatically generate these digits in an attempt to make this page specifically unique to this page, to this funnel. Okay, so don't worry, that's not going to show up. So if you actually look, I opened the page here. This is what it looks like in a live version here. Okay, so you don't actually see those digits, so you'll see it just fine, just like that. Okay, so what I did was, this is the actual live version of the page here. If you go up here, this is what you'll send people or put in an ad. This is the first link that they need to go through. Between this link and this link, there's a couple links in the background that fire off the stats. So that's why this is the first link that needs to go. All right, needs to start off with. You go and click that, and you'll see that you'll have your domain and then your page path here, which is hashtag guide. All right, so you're good to go there. And I think that was it. Let me check. Regarding your question about the bit.ly, you can use the links to shorten. Now, if you're referring to putting your links for your funnel as a bit.ly link on an ad somewhere, that would just depend on the platform you're putting the ads on. So there's some platforms out there that will not allow a bit.ly link. All right, so you just have to look into that, do some research into whatever platform you're wanting to use. All right, so but to answer the question, yes, you can shorten your link, your ClickFunnels link, into a bit.ly link. Okay. All right, I hope that answers all your questions. I'm going to go ahead and send this out, and just go ahead and reach out if you need anything further. Okay. All right. Thanks.